After a year and a half, DJI is finally releasing a new model of the Air lineup. As you can see here, it was spotted in what it seems to be a Chinese app for flight reporting, where there are listed a few different drones, and between these, there's the Air 4, the Air 3S successor. It was released in late 2024, and we got the first images of it during the summer. So we're definitely very far from the actual release, but we aren't actually completely out of details on this drone. There is in fact an image from last year that was posted by Jasper Ellens that shows us what the Air 4 could look like. Obviously this isn't a real picture, but it gives us a peek at what it might be like compared to the Air 3S. The design will be definitely more similar to the Mavic 4 Pro, with the camera module placed right up front and all the sensors at the top. This is not the actual drone, but for sure they will adopt these new features from the newer DJI drones. So the camera will gain 360-degree roll, so that it will capture lossless portrait videos with both cameras. There will still be two lenses, with a 3x optical zoom, and this one might be powered by a 1-inch sensor as some new rumors say. Some other sources report it might even be under 250 grams, but that wouldn't be technically possible, and also it wouldn't make any sense in the already existing lineup. Its actual weight might be under 500 grams instead, which however isn't an important mark to respect, since every drone under 900 grams enters the C1 category. But the Mavic 4 actually weighs more than 1 kilogram, so the Air 4 could be the right compromise between the more expensive Mavic series and the Mini 5 Pro, maintaining a twin camera setup but with a smaller and lighter body. Other features that might be expected are LiDAR sensors on the brackets, and maybe the introduction of the O5 transmission, since it hasn't been updated since 2023 with the release of the Air 3. In my personal opinion, based on the previous releases I followed, we're looking at a late 2026 release. It usually takes a long time with the higher-end drones between the first sights, the registrations, and the actual release, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update, and drop a like if this video was helpful.